now we are going to see what is quay crane. Quay crane is also known as tip to shore crane, STS crane. So a quay crane QC is a type of crane used in port and terminals for loading and unloading containers from ships. So these are the work of quay crane. In coming slide, we are going to see what is the type of quay crane and what we are going to means as a HSC, what is our work over there as a port HSC, as a contractor or client HSC, what about we should know. So in interview, you can also answer easily. So there is two types of crane also: rear mounted quay crane, RM, RMQC. This crane move along rail fixed on the quay, providing stability and high lifting capacity for efficient container handling. And rubber tired gantry crane, we also tell a rubber mounted gantry crane. Crane or rubber tired quay crane is a common terminology, but RTGs are used in yard. However, some quay cranes might be designed with rubber tired for mobility, offering flexibility in certain terminal layout. So these are the two types of crane. So now we know also rubber mounted gantry crane and rail mounted gantry crane. A quay crane works involves loading containers onto ship, unloading containers from ships, transferring containers between ships and shore. Quay crane plays a vital role in efficient cargo handling, facilitating global trade and maritime operations. So these are the works of quay crane. Now in coming slide, how we can also see how we can maintain, like there is maintenance for quay crane, like there is 24 hours operation. So we should also know how how our maintenance team, how mechanical guys, a technical department, how they maintain. So in coming slides, now we are going to see. So quay crane rope maintenance monthly, 6 monthly, and yearly. So inspect and lubricate rope to prevent wear and corrosion. 6 monthly, perform detailed inspection and lubrication, and yearly conduct throughout inspections, lubrication, and potential rope replacement. And rope replacement, like replace rope if damaged or worn beyond safe limits to ensure crane safety and efficiency. So if there is damage in rope, so we have to change that rope also. And these are all the maintenance work our maintenance team they are performing. So now in this video, you guys know what are the work of quay crane, and import terminal, what is the use for the quay crane. Mostly quay crane, what they are doing, they are offloading containers, and after that there is ITV. ITV then take that container into the yard area,